Hello, Mrs. Rogowitz. I'm going to be doing the metric ice cream. Yes.
Did you get that?
Yeah, it's still recording.
Okay. So I'm just gonna add some ice into this right now. So use my hand to add some ice.
Are you supposed to say specifically how much ice?
Well, I mean, this is just from the bag, so I'm just. Because the ice bag already cracked last time. So I'm just gonna put like a couple big handfuls of ice in here just to like fill the bag up. So we're going to be adding salt into it.
So now I'm going to add 90 grams of rock salt. So we're just going to add it in.
And do you know what the rock salt's gonna do when you put it into the bag of ice?
It's going to help make the ice cream colder. Why? It's gonna help freeze it like faster to actually make it ice cream. Braden,
Okay.
stop asking questions.
I mean, we need to make the video interesting.
Okay, I'm trying to make it interesting. This is science. Science is interesting by itself. Anyway, poured a little bit too much in, so
We should really do a cooking tutorial.
that looks good. So I'm going to add my 90 grams of rock salt into my bag of ice. Okay. So now that that's done, so I've already measured out my 13 grams of sugar. So I'm just going to add it into this small bag, this empty small bag, because this is our ice cream base. So we have our sugar in here now. And now we're going to have 125 milliliters of milk. Okay, pour it a little over. That's okay. Okay, there we go. So we're just gonna add that into our bag with the sugar. I recommend double bagging this because sometimes if you have cheap bags, it'll spill out. And you really don't want a huge mess of milk. Okay. And now we're gonna add vanilla.
How much vanilla?
We're gonna add 1.2 milliliters of vanilla.
Very precise measurements.
Yes, I know. I'm so precise. Okay. So that is your base of your ice cream. And okay, I'm adding chocolate chips just to make my vanilla ice cream not so plain. And then we're gonna shake it for 10 minutes in the ice.
How many chocolate chips?
We'll do like a handful of chocolate.
Did you wash your hands?
Can you stop asking questions, Braden?
This is a science lab. You should probably be using gloves.
You want to get slopped?
Well, that's 2 handfuls. You said previously
No,
1 handful.
I'm actually getting a handful and a half. These are my precise measurements. Okay. Right now my ice cream base is done, so you want to let the air out of it and just mix it up on your own to try to get that sugar off the bottom. And just mix it all in there. Okay. So now we're gonna put our ice cream into the bag of ice and the salt. Put it in there. Take the air out of the bag. And then we're gonna shake it for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes, my ice bag is pretty much frozen. Ooh, and the ice cream is too. Ooh, it actually looks like ice cream. It's hard. So I'm just gonna get a spoon really fast. Scoop this out, and our tech director is going to eat it. Ripper, you're gonna eat it?
I'm not eating that.
I'll try it. It looks good.
Okay, Mom, grab a spoon.
Just grab the ice cream scoop.
That's awesome.
Okay, so we're gonna taste it. Mmm,
Tastes good.
tastes good. So, that is how you make ice cream using metrics and science. Thanks for watching.
And thanks for the extra cut.
Oh, yeah, thanks for the extra credit.